So don't change out your shower head while you're in the shower.
No, I would not do it while I'm in the shower.
One of the biggest, smallest upgrades we can do in our bathroom is upgrading our shower heads. A lot of people, even though it's a small project, get intimidated by the process. And you say the first tip is that we don't need to necessarily turn off the water to start.
I think a lot of people, are worried about messing with their shower heads. Water is never going to come to that head if you don't ever actually turn on the valve. One of the hardest things is getting down Home Depot or Lowe's aisle and picking out what type of heads you do want, to install. Don't be intimidated by that.
I know I shouldn't be this excited, but today, I'm getting a new shower head.
The second tip is making sure you have the right tools to get the job done.
Yeah, and that's a very important thing. So, we like to use crescent wrenches on shower heads. You don't want to scuff up the brand new head that you're putting on.
Hopefully this is the last time that you'll be in my bathroom. This is complicated with one hand. It's going in.
Our plumbing expert, thanks for joining us again, Dave.
Thanks, Matt. Thanks for having me.